Bless the panina if you see me in the street, you don't know. Blessing and respect, my heart of love, guidance, panda chop, you hear that? I fear that. And I fear, you know, something like 30 dollar them man already. Wait, so right up there, she go. On the bike back now, man. I saw you big. Guidance, the teacher. Up cross with that friend. Good evening. You do YouTube and them thing there? Can you give a shout out? One Claudette. Oh, you spell it Claudette? Claudette?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's one or you spell O-N-E-R number one? Oh, that's one. Good evening, my friend. Oh, teacher. Oh, man.
Enough don't know what they been saying. Others don't know what they been playing. Cause we see the good music they pandulate. No wonder why so many of our children gone astray. So play it in the street, make it float up in the breeze. And anytime the reggae play, it bring us stress with it. Yeah. Now promote no criminal, no thief. Walk by a blaze fire and it burn up all the beasts. And we tell them say, hey, playing some good reggae music. Yeah, this is reggae music, yeah. Me say, man a blazing fire. Tell the world of them man a burning fire. Make them know again we a blazing fire.
Yo, me don't want him done.
Me tell them say burn up everything from it now right. What that them a do when I still see you inside. Me tell them say burn up everything from it now right. Burn them out tonight and burn them out in the broad daylight. Burn up everything for them now right. Oh, them in that can none of them not ride bike. Tell them say burn up everything. Burn up everything from it now right. Hey, you want you to see the black woman and you are rape. See the purity you want come contaminate. Hey boy, me burn your licky ways. What that you want back is kissy and I rub up now you.
Just 5. Let me see if I can do 5. So the level of wickedness, how short it a sell? The crab. Jeez and peace, what kind of negativity that so far? Alright, respect. Yeah, for sure. Alice, you buy from? ITS. Tell me ITS, man. Oh, God. Manners. Oh, cup drop. Alright man, big up yourself man, manners and respect, all is well. You know me always depend in from you see me in the street, you don't know. Blessings and respect, my heart of love, guidance, panda chop, you hear that? I fear dolly that. And I fear, you know, so I like 30 dolly them man already. Wait, so right up there she go. On the bike back now man, I saw you big. Guidance, my teacher. Second. So next negativity, I miss you now go the whole like crap them and me not get none. Where go Euro Circle though? Oh Manners. Everything good? Oh gosh, man. Where's that something?
Yeah, I'm going to price up something, you know.
I better see if we can find something for you, yeah? Alright, see you later. Big up yourself. Alright, let's see how it works. Up cross with Dolly friend. Good evening. I beg you subscribe to my channel here, Jamaica Walk By. See? You do YouTube and them thing there? You can give a shout out? What your name again? One Claudette. How you spell it, Claudette? Claudette?
Yes.
Oh, so it's one or you spell O-N-E-R number one? Oh, that's the one. Alright, big up yourself. See? Jamaica Walk By. So it's one on TikTok, number one, Claudeth. I think that's how she probably spelled the Claudette. You know them Gen Z, them spell them thing different, bro. So if we keep up with them, the God. Good evening, my friend. Yes, amazing. Oh, teacher. Manners. Where you go?
Whoever come and see the man I want.
Right. We are the imitator. Can't see us. Look good.
You see that? The man named Original Jamaica walk by. You see me?
Always I catch you that street,
bro. The man
bro.
name Mr. Globe. They want to try me the whole globe. You see me? Yo, bro.
Yo, art I love the
Big up,
teacher.
you
Everything
know,
good.
Jamaica walk by.
You Kingston,
You
you go
know.
back up a church so that you see a live.
Everywhere, bro.
You
You
see
know,
a
say
red
they
bad.
jump to Trenchtown, aka Arnett God. You see me?
Big.
Yeah, man, say you don't know. Jamaica walk by in the place. You know.
Big up again, the
Yo,
teacher.
bro.
A long time, I'm a G.
Yo, bro, you know it's
That
quiet.
is it to the dog. Bad. Yeah, bro. Great man himself. Yeah. Great jungle, Jesus, man. I tell you. Jungle. Yeah, the man something name Jamaica or Globe walk by. So you have a few artists who forward from Trenchtown when I know personally, like good friends. I mean I talk about Fyah Touch. You understand? But I try to link him earlier to see if I could have forward through the place and think I may end up do some walk and I say no, so I just go and walk for the rest of the day and thing and just check out the vibe. You understand? But yeah, Arnett Garden, Trenchtown, birthplace of reggae music, Bob Marley, you don't know. We talk about Peter Tosh. We talk about Bunny Wheeler. We talk about the I Trees, Rita Marley, Marcia Griffiths, Judy Moit. Art I love, man. The place is just a breath of fresh air, you understand? You cannot deny it. But I love to see my brother do Fyah Touch. Great Fyah Touch. I would say upcoming artist, but you know what I mean, he's been around for a very, very long time and just not get that big hit there. But he have some beautiful songs, you see me? Wanna mind get a link with him back in the day. I know me I walk to him place, I would like to see him and give him a feature on Jamaica walk by. Currently I try to link him right now too, but I'm not sure. So since me there at Trenchtown, you know, so me have to big up Kino life in Jamaica. I promise to do that this stretch one at a time too. Yeah. Promise to do this stretch as well. You know what I mean? That is 7th Street. I promise to do 7th Street. 7th Street go way back through some parts still where people don't really walk, but can walk it and show you what it looks like. Most definitely going down to the downtown area, so that would be definitely a nice walk. Big up to everybody who actually joined right about now and still watching. Nice and subtle vibe, and that's how we're doing it on Jamaica Walk By. Is it? So I was talking about Kino life in Jamaica, you know what I mean? This is where Kino actually do a lot of voluntary work, donation work and things. If you don't know about Kino life in Jamaica, please check out Kino life in Jamaica. Kino life in Jamaica is one of them young youth that will actually help the community, you know what I mean? From house project to business project, you name it. Kino life in Jamaica, and he's trying very hard. He's supposed to the 60 something thousand subscriber. Massive. Me personally would really like Kino get to 100,000 subscriber because of the work I do. So you see, if you watch that video here, I'm gonna see if I can put him channel like a screen recording or something like that on the screen, and we can see if we can get Kino life in Jamaica to 100,000 subscriber. Massive. He has been doing some brilliant work, excellent work, no joke, no doubt. Let's see if we can catch the police station. So blessing to everybody who has been watching so far. Can't tell you how much I'm grateful for that. So this is Trenchtown Police Station. So Jamaica Constabulary Force, Trenchtown. Yeah. This is it. Today is a Friday. You don't know. Good evening. The police station up and running. You know what I mean? Yeah. Fire touch! Jaja no. Blouse and skirt. No one, that's why I'm going to delay a little bit, because massive me I link him. But it look like him better put on some clothes, because him clean you know, man. Massive. So me general me I telling about, me can't afford a Trenchtown and me no get a G here, official here. Big artist. No joke, no. What kind of cologne man I use, man? Jesus Christ! You have to go introduce me dog. As someone want to pull up in a crowd, man, everybody if you know say I made that. That is it, my boss. So this is Fire Touch, all of my massive who is watching right now. You know what I mean? You have big song like play me some good reggae music.
Play me some good reggae music. Yeah, hey, walk by music, yeah. Boom,
jeez, massive, I don't even want him tease it, and I'm have to go sing it, you know. You understand? So this is Fire Touch, my massive. Anybody who don't know about Fire Touch, you can find him on our social media platform as Fire Torch. Fire Torch. Real Fire Torch. See me, I say, and the fire spell F-Y-A-H. You see me, so nobody type in F-I-R-E, you're not going to find him. You have to type in F-Y-A-H. Fire! Like when we are talking about blazing fire. Fire Touch. So on all Instagram platform and them thing that it's real Fire Touch. Zin? So big artist out of Trenchtown, future star, future superstar, future everything. No joke. I want a future man, we are going to hold the reggae music straight. You see me? So you know what me say whole heap and thing. Fire Touch. Give them that piece of that tune, because here what we are going to do. Why you give them a verse, chorus, and if you want to give them a piece like verse again going down and a chorus, up to you. But I want them to hear the voice, hear the big artist.
Enough don't know what they been saying, others don't know what they been playing, cause we see the good music they pandulate. No wonder why so many of our children gone astray. So play it in the street, make it float up in the breeze, and anytime the reggae play, it bring us stress relief. Yeah. Now promote no criminal, no thief. Walk by a blaze fire and it burn up all the beasts, and we tell them say, hey, playing some good reggae music, yeah. This is reggae music, yeah. We can't afford we gon' lose it. This some reggae music, walk by music, yeah. So playing some good reggae music, yeah. Conscious reggae music, yeah. We can't afford we gon' lose it. Hey, watch out. The people them together, the ism and the schism, the looting and the shooting with them gun lyrics. Hey, I'm on one whole that joint, up in the dance with the woman, yeah. And just squeeze and breast. If you the blind, the deaf, the dumb, pull up to have some fun. Feel the tremor in the bass and we a beat the can't jump. Wow, wow. And all we got is up. Represent for reggae music, keep it flying like a double. Oh. Playing some good reggae music.
Yeah, yeah, Jamaica walk by music, yeah. Boom, shots on Joe, you know. Big up every time, but my brother, real fire touch, you understand? This man have beautiful songs, many beautiful songs. From me know this man for all these years, the man don't sing foolishness. The man don't sing mediocre song. Sometimes I ask myself, the boy, I don't know how I don't be one of them superstars the way the whole world know. So I can say the same thing about that G. Yeah man, the world need to know him. So you see from me to a little bit of a music scene, I do something like this, I just use my platform to showcase artists and people like this. You understand? Fire touch. Everybody were there in the comment section here right now, everybody we are going to chat everywhere. You will see him link in the description to reach him. IG, just reach out and say, yo, see you upon Walk By Music channel and I have to give you a follow and subscribe and check out your music. See? What the latest song we have out? Manners.
We have so many works out right now. People can check out me and Stacious brand new song, Me and You. You see me? I don't know, so me have a couple more singles out there right now. When me say, man a blazing fire. Tell the world that them man a burning fire. Make them know again we are blazing fire.
Yo, me don't want him done.
Me tell you say burn up everything from it now right. What that them a doing I still see inside. Me tell you say burn up everything from it now right. Burn them out tonight and burn them out in the broad daylight. Burn up everything from them now right. Oh them in that can none of them not ride bike. Tell them say burn up everything. Burn up everything. Burn up everything from it now right. Hey, you want you see the black woman and you are rape. See the purity you want come contaminate. Hey boy, me burn your licky ways. What that you have a kissy and a rub up now you.
Please, I want the fire, yo. We really should have a fire touch. Yeah. Real fire touch. Art, I love my brother. Mad respect, no joke, no doubt.
And reggae songs like this. You see me?
No joke, no doubt. And them switch out today now the birthplace of reggae music. Yeah. Trench Town, Rima. You understand? No joke, no doubt. May I tell you, no joke. Space superstar. Bob Marley, Rita Marley. We talk about Peter Tosh. Miss Bassan, Ika must sign up there so you don't know anything. Go whole heap of superstar, whole heap. Bunny Wheeler. Say that?
You see them song.
Jeez.
She said that a deep plan, want a money man. Not take no talk from not a one. She love the Gucci, the Brazilian. Sophia night she say got to Tigan. She no want no broke boys, only have this gun. To me it's like she need a matalan. And she keeps selling herself away. Say she don't know no other way. And now she bringing to the table. He's just sitting below her navel. And I thought it's so unstable. But for the money she willing and able. She's just a pimp's paradise. She can be yours for just one night. If the price is right, yeah. She's just a pimp's paradise. Whoa. Don't fall in love here out here, man. Because she's not that type, yeah. Cause she love the Benzie and the Ambima. Do nobody pull up none teeter.
You might say, yo, she love the Adi Benz and Bieber. Don't pull up with an Tina, you hear that? Look good, the man. Real fire touch. Massive. Check out the music there online. You don't know the YouTube, the Spotify, all of them places there. Real fire touch. touch. Heart of love, my brother. I know we are continuing the journey.
Yes,
Stay strong and go and do it massive. And my brother.
Thanks.
So remember, all social media platform, real Fyah
touch. Just like
see?
Yes.
That is it. We're there. Massive, you know we're not cutting out. We just got you. Yeah. Touch, we are link up, see? Heart of love. Right at Spanish Town Road we are go. That is it. So massive again. Real Fyah touch. Check out him man music them. We have to send him over there. The world want to know him. I'm not telling no joke on the year. The world for know him, bro. You understand? Fyah touch. Me general, big singer, big writer. All the years me know him. I saw them man just drop solid tune. Remember me tell you man. Yeah. Trench Town. Real Trench Town rock. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Figure that? Jeez. As we proceed to give you what you need, let's continue the walk by. Mad so.
Turn up your light to them right now. Every gangster man them there. Turn up your gangster light to them. You know why?
Trench Town. You can just feel the spirit, the vibe in other places. You cannot deny it. Swear to you. A mad thing, man. Come over more with the car, them the boss. Manners. Sir, tabs, sir.
I
walk from weird our place to our part, but you walk by will be stay already. I'll be alone this time, but you see me. Kino got it. No, Kino got up the road. No, but tell me now.
Tell me?
Yeah.
I'm on one time I come for the ends.
Wally Patain, believe you, sir. Come on, not look at me change up today. Today me have a dark glass and hat.
Listen, man. I know him. I pass, I want to go down there before you kill them car place. When the vehicle man go.
No, I seen the uncle and me down there with man. Me never get to reach. Me never get to reach them. Yeah, me not get to reach them. Then go on and reach Kingston now. Then reach you Kingston. Oh, you mean me or something stay and something leave and know that's how we go.
When we go for phone.
Big up Mr. Thompson. You don't do hold on now. Let me see it. Let me see it. Where Chris there?
It come off.
Oh, drive on Chris. We are
I'm in there now. I don't feel come here yesterday honestly. I don't palm at the time.
That's John no man.
Choose that Wednesday.
See them, Mr. Thompson.
Come in. Yeah, man.
Let me get a water, then I cool off my throat.
I like that.
Manners and Rich, I like that.
Singer, yeah.
Singer?
Yeah, man. I like to tell this, man. I Bob Marley produced them on the first tune, man.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Really, what is the group name again?
Disciple.
Disciple. Bob Marley produced and
Jeez and peace.
Disciple. The black guy now there with you.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
You understand?
Yeah, and talk
We
by.
are doing it, man. We are doing it, man. I respect, man.
Kino.
Kino and brother.
Kino, good youth, you know.
I just tell them that a while ago to you know.
Any ramp with Kino.
Boy, no, we don't want to say it. But Kino, I'm a brother, man. I'm a brother, man. Yeah, kind of that go with the media. Yeah. Kino, I'm a G. I'm a local brother. But just tell them a while ago, so I need him to reach 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, man. Yeah, we send the people them come. Always did it. Always. That one you know, me just a walk from top, from right, from opposite them I walk from, you know.
Come down.
Yeah, straight, come down. And as I show them, I stretch. But Kino and Jamaican uncle them end up Ghana, New Kingston because me kind of rather run late. You see me? So I just say, no, I'm just still a forward through same speed. Yeah, man, you mean Mr. Thompson?
I don't know Mr. Thompson. Family variety, Trenchtown, Bob Marley Yard. I don't know a walk by. I don't know a drive by. I don't know Mr. Rich.
You don't know BMW foot. Bad man wagon. What Mr. God, una brother? Una brother?
Call it so now. In the spirit.
Why you see if you
I'll
know?
tell you who am I, brother. Now. You know,
Yeah.
Caesar.
Caesar.
You're on the right track down there. West Road.
Oh, down so.
Right to Kino there.
That man
West
will
Road.
burn me out.
But more you check out your father still look because something look close, you know.
Yeah, me tell you. Big man right there. Them say me and my brother.
Yeah.
One next brother will ride.
Yeah.
They're on live, you know, but I say, nah, you're the bar. Man, we check out him father.
Yeah, man, check him father because they look away, you know.
Yeah. Spend
Eh?
See him blood.
Real brother. A mad thing. Let me see how I go on. I mean, Trenchtown vibe. Hey, here my boy link me what they say in can't wait to come back for sample food again.
Yeah.
Tayo, the African. First time he ever eat Jamaican food and he said, can't believe it. Yeah, me carry him come here, man. Carry him come eat food right or so. I mean. So Mr. Thompson, blessings and respect. Now look more, me I go down the road, see? Art I love me, G. That is it. Yeah. Outside. Big up here, me teacher. Great vibe, great energy, you know what I mean? Trenchtown. Over there so you have Dennis Brown on the wall. You have Winnie Mandela, Nelson Mandela. Who else we have over there so? Robert, you see me I say, Wagwan, Trenchtown, Barack Obama, Emperor Haile Selassie up on the wall. You understand? Mr. Jimmy, Carl Brown, you understand? Marcus Garvey, you don't know great Dean Fraser, and the big man, Alton Ellis, same speed. Mama, big up yourself down there clear. Trenchtown. I don't know. I hear some of one artist spot in the 40 chicken back and all them thing that you son of miss. What go on, chef? I look like you run late. Careful in a man. Make sure you say partner late in a man. Oh, I eat man. Trenchtown. Outside with it. Let's go. Pop, pop. You no good? Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Ya ball, me see you with ball. Ya ball.
See a GoPro.
No, that one I want DJ this thing.
Oh yeah, video right now. Oh yeah, put it on YouTube. Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Touch it. Big boss. You no good? That's it.
YouTube channel.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. Eh? Say that. You no take it easy, Zin?
Yes, sir.
You don't know Kino?
Yeah, me got this.
Oh, you better know Kino. Me not sure. Soon though. Yeah. Big up all the youths them from Trenchtown. You know what I mean? Them always just have a vibe down there, so God believe me. Can't go around that. Good evening. Godfather, I hate man. Manners, what go on, bro. So yeah, massive, please, I'm gonna get Kino life in Jamaica to 100,000 subscribers. Yes, man, good youth. You hear the people them talk about him. Real good youth. You know what I mean? A whole heap of great work Kino do in a trench town. You understand? To make sure say the massive them good. Him is only one little soldier, but you know what I mean? Big up to all them subscribers them and the people them will help him go through film places. Me link him still to try get him another video, but as I say, me da run a little late, so him have to end up move. So big up to Jamaican uncle them who I'm a power with right now. I get some things done, you see? So me I run a little later. I should have link him from earlier. But I don't know that thing I go. Me I walk and one bunch of things start up, man. We not get to reach, you see? But it's what it is. Still a great vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. See, the whole of the ends they down the road. Kino normally they on the ends there. Make sure it's everybody good. You see me? People them love him in that area. Kino life in Jamaica. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And you don't know center camera, that's Spanish Town Road, so. No, me not stream, I record. Jamaica walk by. You go there, baller. Give me 5 out of that. You get a juggle?
Yeah, man.
Let me see a juggle. 5. Just 5. Let me see if I can do 5. 2.
4, 5.
Oh, yeah, I say that look like a 4 to me.
2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, this a vibe, this a energy, man. Me give thanks to life. Whole heap of beautiful people there at Trench Town. And we can't go around that, is it? Yes, sir. Evelyn Browning. So, let's go. And you don't know culture yard down that side there. And thing, that's where you'll find culture yard. In that lane, right at First Street. And you don't know, right down the other street you're gonna find One Brinks Music. Indigenous Brinks. Big up every time. All of the artists them. So culture yard they down there. So you know we always go down the lane there and show no what go on and thing. So today I make a cross right there. So cross right there. So I don't know, video almost done. So I have culture yard down there. So. Yeah, let me tell you, the Wall of Fame, Bob Marley, one love. I always showcase the wall because we can't pass it, not true? You don't know. Tata! And see, manners. See, Bonnie Wheeler and the man himself, Bob Marley. I don't know, one more time again, Peter Tosh. I don't know the wife of Bob Marley, Mama Rita Marley. I don't know right there, so Delroy Wilson. Wall of Fame, no joke, Trench Town. Manners. So we're there. It's a vibe, it's an energy. And that was superb. Yes, it. Don't know, remember, big up all of my G them from One Brinks Music. Studio down the street. Yeah, man. But that one I just want to look pass through for showing the stretch.
Everything I clean out fine, but I'm feeling sense and so.
Spanish Town Road. See, we made it. This is Spanish Town Road. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Super appreciate everything going on here. It's me I say. So this has been a great walk. Thank you so much for watching the video. Big up to Kino life in Jamaica, you know what I mean? It's a great energy. You don't know, this is Trenchtown right here. Collie Smith Drive on the sign. So blessings and respect, heart of love to everybody who watch the videos. And I must say, blessings to all my members. See? Mad respect, mad love to all my members, and I super appreciate everything going on. Continue watching Jamaica Walk By videos as we go together. And you see, don't just watch, please subscribe to the channel. See? No joke, no doubt. Big up to my brother Randy Brown, you understand? That's big UFC fighter Randy Brown, you know what I mean? Nice to go give yours up on the face. Super appreciate the Ray-Ban, you know what I mean? Randy, big up, mad love, mad respect my brother. Love the gift, see? That is it, no joke, no doubt. Jamaica Walk By signing out. Keep on watching the video series in Kingston, see? That is it. So, gonna subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. The link I got there in the description. We are trying to get him to 100,000 subscribers. Him not in that video, but a film place. See me I say? No joke, no doubt. That is it. What can I tell what I say? I want this under my nose. One under my nose. I'm out.